Good morning. In this lecture series, we see about projection of solid with the different conditions. The second case is when the solid lies on the one of its corner, the base on HP. When a solid is lies one of its base corner on HP, is like a prism or pyramid category, whatever. Then the two edges of the base containing the corners. Okay, so one which is lies making either equally inclined or different incline with the HP. The corner of the base on HP with the two base edges containing the corner on which it rests make equally inclination with HP. Initially, the solid should be placed with its base on HP such that an imaginary line is connecting the center of the base on one of its corner is parallel to P. To XY line in the top view and preferable to lies on the right side. We see one example with one solid with the conditions of base corner HP. For example, when I'm taking a hexagonal prism here, so for hexagonal prism, I have to draw the, first of all, I have to draw the top view and front view of the given solid. So here the solid name is hexagonal prism. So what is a hexagon? Is having a six side, okay? So the six side of the hexagon with the conditions of corner on base on HP. That is the conditions. So according to the conditions, okay, that is a solid position conditions, okay? The solid position condition is the base on HP. That is corner of the base corner of the HP. Here any corner, any one of the corner of the hexagon. It having a five corners. Okay, so it having any one of the corner is a lies on HP or based on the HP. Such that according to these conditions, okay, so I have to draw the front and top view of the hexagonal prism. So what is the top view? That is the hexagon. It having a six equal sides. So the value is given, that base side is value given in positive. Okay. After that, complete our top view. We give the name of A dash, B dash, A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, and F1. So here A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, F1, we have indication as a bracket. Okay. So what is meaning that is this is lies on the bottom side, the remaining A, B, C, D, E, F is lies on the top side. Okay. So what is the front view of this solid is like a square box. The height of the solid is given in a question. Okay. So after the naming is completed, so what is the condition? It's the axis inclined to HP. So the angle value is given in a question. It's like a 30 or 45. So according to the conditions, the axis can be tilted. The prism can be tilted based on the conditions of the problems. Okay. So here condition is what incline to HP. So that I have to incline the prism, that is called as a tilted prism. So after completing the tilted front view, you have to draw the vertical downward below the XY line. So then similar, we have to draw A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash, D1 dash, similar A, B, C, A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. I have to draw the projection line in downward below the XY line. After from front view, that is the top view of the hexagon, I have to draw the horizontal projection line for the right side. Okay, so the both vertical and horizontal line getting intersect. Okay, the intersect point, for example, A1 dash is meet with A1, B1 dash is meet with B1, C1 dash is meet with C1, D1 dash is meet with D1, E1 dash is meet with E1. Similar, A meet with A dash is meet with A, B dash meet with B, similar C, D, E, F. So after joining all the corners, okay, all the base edges, we getting the hexagonal of the conditions of the final top view of the solids. So here, when I'm looking the top side of the solid, okay, based on the conditions, the one side of the edges are not visible, so that I got to represent in the form of dotted line. So I have to mention here. Here, in this side is not visible. For example, E1, E1, D1, and the D1, C1 is not visible. So that I have to here present as a dotted line. So we move to the next condition in kind of a pyramid category. Here I have to take the pentagonal pyramid. The similar, what is the condition here? The base corner on HP. So that according to these conditions, I have to draw the top and front view. Okay. So here the what is the solid name is pentagonal pyramid. So that the pentagon having a five corners. So any one of the corner is based on the HP. So that according to the conditions of the solid. Okay. So I have to positioning and I have to draw the top and front view of the solids. Okay, so what is the top view of here is a pentagon, and what is the front view of the pyramid is look like a triangle. So, for example, if the top view of the pentagon, I have the name is called as A B C D E. Okay, so the each corner having reference, there is a projection line is meet up with the reference line that is called as XY line. So there is a dash, A dash, D dash, B dash, and C dash. After join all the corners on O. Okay. So what is the O means is called as the center of the pentagon. So I got to find out the center of the pentagon. That is the axis of the pentagon. Pentagon pyramid. Okay. So what is the height? The height value is given in the question. Okay, it's like a 60 or 70 or 80. So after that, from this XY line, you have to draw the vertical line. The height value is given for your question. Okay. So that is the height of the solid. Okay, that is the name is called as O dash. After completing the O dash, I have to join all the corners towards the O dash. For example, A E dash is joined with O dash. Then B D dash is joined with O dash. C dash also joined with O dash. Okay. So what is the conditions? Is the axis inclined to HP so that what the angle value is given in the question. It's like a 60 or 30. If I take as a 60 degrees example of the solid, okay. So the axis is 60 degree inclined to HP, so that I have to front view is tilted in a 60 degree to the axis. So after tilting, that is a tilted front view. After tilting, okay, we have to draw the projection line in each corner of the point. I have to project in a downward direction. Then similar, the front top view of the pentagon. Okay, I have to draw the horizontal projection line. So all the points get meeting. For example, E dash is meet with E. A dash is meet with A. B dash is meet with B. Similar. So you have to join all the line. We're getting the hexagon, that is a pentagon shape we are getting. Then O dash also is projected from the center. We are getting the that is a final view. That is what is a final view? It's a pentagonal pyramid. So according to the conditions of the pentagon pyramid, I getting the final view of the pentagon pyramid. Thank you.